Yo, my guys, it's Levi from Sunday. I'm your hair guy. I'm a barber from Calgary, Alberta. I skateboard. I'm obsessed with getting to know people. You're probably asking, why the heck is this guy on my screen? I looked at this email last week and he wasn't there. Well, me and Ultimate, we're pretty good buds. I'm one of their ambassadors, and as a team, we're gonna help you put the pieces of your life back together. You guys better check out these vids every other week because we're gonna be making some more of them. Maybe some bad dad jokes, and we'll definitely be ripping on our clients. Some of these videos might be stuff like how to style some hair, product reviews, when and why do you use certain products, brand history, ways to communicate with clients, how to be better at selling product, how to tell the baldies that they need to step it up a notch, barber etiquette, how to ask your client on a date, how to break up with that client. Heck, let's do some barber shop highlights. After this, go to social media. Follow at Ultimate Barber Supply, at Levi Switzer, and at Not Open Sunday. You will not regret it. On these videos, shoot us your questions, your comments, email us back, comment, whatever. Tell us what you love and hate about the hair industry, questions on how to use the product that we carry. Heck, ask us about relationship advice. We just want to hear from you. Guys, we're Ultimate Barber Supply, the longest running skateboard and lifestyle distributor. And also we have the best barber supplies, capes, cleaning products, pomades, clays, texture sprays, goops and gloves. And we have the sexiest brands from around the globe. Go to ultimatebarbersupply.com, set up your account, and order some of that 4-in-1 body wash because you're getting stanky. Don't forget to support your local barber and stay out of the malls because they're gonna give you one of those bad mullets. Now let's go shave some heads. When you undo the cape and you're cleaning off all the wolf hair on their neck, how far down do you go? Have you ever pulled their shirt all the way down and reached down super far and all of a sudden you're at butt crack? What's the difference between a $70 haircut and a $40 haircut? Nothing. Except for the dude's probably wearing nicer clothes than this.